How to set Instagram comment automation. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to set Instagram comment automation. So in order to do that, I'm going to use this particular website which says linkdm.com. So in order to use it, you first need to create an account on this particular website. Just go to linkdm.com. And if you already have an account, just go to login section and enter your credential and just log in into your account. And if you are new to this page, you need to click on create free account. And over here, you need to fill this particular form right here in order to create your link DM account. This website is completely free, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just simply fill in all your details. You can select the business name or the creator name. Just select your country and account type. So there are different multiple categories of account that you can select. So I'm going to select the one which will resonate with the kind of content that I post. And I think the creator will suit the best for my type of content that I'm going to post. Now you have to create a password over here. Now just click on I accept the terms and condition and click on get started. Now you can see that you need to connect your different accounts in order to make sure that there is seamless interconnection between different accounts, and you will be able to send the links quite easily. You don't have to worry about the privacy concern of this particular website, because this website is Meta business partner, and this is also Meta approved. So you can go ahead and do the account logins and connection over here without getting worried about your data getting leaked. And if you have further concern, you can also go ahead onto the Meta website and read the terms and conditions. And if you're okay with them, you can go ahead and connect your account with this particular website. So now I'm first going to connect my Instagram account and then Facebook. You need to connect both your accounts here. And now once your account is connected, now you can see there are all the posts that you have posted on your account. And over here you have different options like set up DM link. So if you want to set up the links now on any of these posts that you have posted in the past, just simply click on set up DM link. So I'm going to click on this particular post right here. And now in order to set up the DM automation, you have to, customize these three settings. So the first one is DM setup. So you can choose to add a URL, leads, save template or coupon. And once this is done, you can also add a description over here. And in the trigger setup, you need to enter the trigger setting, which people will click or comment on your post in order to get the direct DM in their account. So you can choose the different keyword over. Like for example, I want to add AI over here as well. Whenever people will type AI in the comment section, they will also get the link. And once all the settings are done, just simply click on save, and your DM automation will be set up for your Instagram account. So that's how you will be able to set up Instagram comment automation. I hope you find this video to be helpful.